Is your company exploring, evaluating, adopting, or implementing additive manufacturing technologies? Then you need to attend Rapid Plus TCT 2021, North America's largest and most influential additive manufacturing event. Here are the top 5 reasons why. Learn how to use 3D technologies to reduce time to market, create stronger and lighter parts, simplify your supply chain, and achieve revolutionary design freedom. Consult face-to-face with technical experts before you make equipment decisions. Visit over 250 3D technology providers in one room. Network with over 5,000 industry peers. Discover the latest additive manufacturing processes, applications, and materials at the conference, featuring over 70 presentations and 150 leading speakers. The future of additive manufacturing is created here. Don't be left behind. Join us in Chicago, Illinois this September 13th through the 15th to be a part of the evolution.